And in other disappointing news for the university, the Kittitas County Public Health Department has reported another Pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough case, in Kittitas County. KCPHD is working closely with CWU to try to stop any potential spread. The confirmed case is associated with CWU men's rugby union team. To prevent further spread, KCPHD has recommended that all rugby players and associated staff of the team get tested. CWU has been working closely with CHPD, and as of today, all players have been tested. Pertussis is spread from person to person through the air when someone with the condition coughs or sneezes. The people at the highest risk for pertussis are infants under 1 year old, pregnant women and people with chronic respiratory illness. For vaccinations and testing, please contact your local healthcare provider, or you can contact KCPHD.